Hello students, in last video lecture, we studied the concept of mind mapping. In today's lecture, we are going to learn continue of the first lecture of mind mapping. In this second lecture, we are going to studying benefits and applications. In first lecture, we already studied memorizing, organizing ideas, brainstorming session, attractive presentations. Let's continue to the next benefits and applications of mind mapping. Next important benefits of mind mapping is that simplifying complex ideas. Look at the word simplify, means simple, complex ideas. Simple complex ideas means what? Actually the subject is simple, but on that simple subject, how we can think complexly with the help of complexity, how we can elaborate that topic, how we can present that topic, and how you can just find out simple ideas to complex ideas or the main ideas, sub main ideas, or different types of the ideas to the main topics. It is called the simplifying complex ideas. I would like to give here one example according to the simplifying complex ideas. For example, the subject or best simple idea is that balloon. So when we just think or when we just study of balloon, from simple fact to the complex fact, we tries to find out different types of the point. We just think, we use our proper brain and mind, and we just tries to get which we already known, which we already studied from different types of the fact, from different types of the studies. It is called the simplifying complex ideas. Next important is that problem solving. Problem solving is one of the best benefits of mind mapping. Look at the word problem. So many times when we wake up early morning till to midnight, we heard the word problem. I have problem in study, I have problem in online lecture, I have problem, I have economical problem, I have social problem. The word problem. But according to the word problem, where is a problem, there is a solution. As a student, here we just think about the word problem and we need to solve it. It is our educational problem or it is our study problem. It means questions, so many questions or so many activities, and we have to find out the actual answer or actual questions from the activities. It is called the problem solving. So mind mapping will help you to solve your problem, solve your activities, solve your experiment, solve your mathematical equation. In each and every points, mind mapping will help you to solve your problem. So here problem solving is one of the important benefits of mind mapping. Next important benefits of mind mapping is that explore new ideas. Ideas and new ideas. Students, tell me the difference between ideas and new ideas. Ideas means any particular ideas, general ideas. For example, today I want to take a leave. Today I am not feeling well. So better way, I have idea to take a rest. But while doing study, we need to search so many new ideas. This is activity based syllabus, and you have to show your, you have to develop your skill, you have to show your, you can utilize your skill, your ideas. So here the word new idea impacted on your study. So we must think about new ideas, and mind mapping will help you to searching new ideas, new innovative ideas, new creative ideas to develop our thought and our ideas. Next important benefits of mind mapping is that executing group project and plans. Whenever we need to do some project, some group project, that time mind mapping will help you, because if you are doing one particular work individually, that time you will get some ideas, some concept, but you will get few concept. But if you are doing work in the group, according to the number of your members in your particular group, that time your idea might be multiple, your thoughts might be multiple for your group project and your plannings. When you just think about yourself, when you are just making your own planning individually, that time you will get some less planning, short plannings. I have one planning, two plans, enough. But when you are in your friends group, that time so many plans, so many sub other groups, so many concepts, so many ideas will occur, and with the help of teamwork or the group work, you can execute your ideas. And when you will work on that particular ideas, each and every ideas, that time definitely your group work would be outstanding and perfect planning. So in that matter, the executing group project or plans will help you with the help of mind mapping. So these are the important benefits of applications, benefits and applications of mind mapping. I would like to repeat once again the benefits and applications of mind mapping: memorizing, organizing ideas, brainstorming sessions, attractive presentations, simplifying complex ideas, problem solving, explore new ideas, executing group project and plans. Now see here the example given. It is activity for case study, organizing a birthday party. You can do this activity in your friends circle or at home. Look at the title or the subject: birthday party, organizing a birthday party. When we just think about the birthday party, some main points or some issues to be thought of, like birthday party means invitations, how many people we can invite, to whom our invitation card. Second important, menu. What is our menu? Means obviously party means different types of the menu, veg menu, non-veg menu, and our like dislike of our friends. We just think about that. Next one, venue. After menu we just think about the menu, where we arrange the party: at home, on the terrace, in the parking, in the garden, in hotel, in restaurants, where. So we just think about the venue also. After selecting venue or place, we started to think about the decoration, because there is no any enjoyable views without decoration. So that's why we just think about the decoration. And when we are organizing a birthday party, that time we we will receive so many gifts, but it is necessary to give some return gifts. So what types of the return gifts will we will give them? That is also planning, that is also ideas, we need to follow it. So any particular topic in case study, we need to study on some particular ideas or thoughts, then we can elaborate our ideas. It is called the mind mapping. Look at the chart given here according to the birthday party. First important, invitation. Here the invitations, we mostly invite to our friends, family, or bloodly relatives, or our neighbors. So we need to make an invitation card, and after that we need to send our invitation cards to our friends, family, means family members, relatives, blood relatives, our cousins, our paternal uncle, maternal uncle, any family members which we want to invite it, and neighbors. After invitation, next one, menu. Menus such as cake, food and beverage, what we decide. I already told you, veg, non-veg, as per your interest, as per your favorite dish, you can, or you can just think about the some particular different types of the menu which you would like. Next one, home, sorry, venue. In venue, I already explained, home, mini hall, outdoors, restaurants, terrace, garden, balcony, where there is a space, you can arrange the party on that. After that, activities. In that birthday parties, which activities you will taken? In that activities such as games, karaoke, music and dance, then decoration, theme posters, balloons, any particular pictures, eco-friendly decoration, waste, out of waste, so many things you can do with the help of the concept or ideas of decoration. Next one, return gifts. In birthday party, number of return gifts you can give as per your convenience view. So here, perfumes, gift voucher, these types of the return gifts you will give you. So here the concept birthday party, which accumulated by the other concept and sub concept such as invitation, menu, venue, activities, return gifts, decoration, it is called the birthday party. Best example of mind mapping. Next one is that look at the next figure. According to this concept birthday parties, see, so many major concept such as ideas, theme, Halloween, Second is that activities, skating, trip, boating. Next one, location, home, elsewhere, center, sports, party. Next one, gifts, ideas such as ring, gold, white, perfume. Next one, party, in three different types of ideas. In that party, invitations, family, friends, collegians. Next one, food, cake, champagne. In that cake, different types of the flavor, black forest, ice break, strawberry flavor, chocolate flavor, pineapple flavor. Food, different types of the food. And decoration, flags. And the concept birthday, my birthday, October 25th, my brother's birthday, my sister's birthday, my mother's birthday, or my best friend's birthday. So here these types of the idea we can elaborate it with the help of our main particular concept. Here another example given here, prefix. In first phase, meaning of the prefix, pre, before, fix, add. Meanings, letters added to front of words. Next one, changes, meaning. Next one, un, means opposite of, unclear, unfriendly, unhappy. Re, again, redo, read, write. Opposites of illegible, illegal, illogical. Opposite of patience, impatience, possible, impossible, perfect, imperfect. And next prefix is that in. Opposites of active, inactive, complete, incomplete, dependent, independent. According to the mind mapping, next concept of the prefix is that er. Here opposite words, repeatable, irrepeatable, replaceable, irreplaceable, responsible, irresponsible. Next ideas of the prefix of mind mapping is that dis. Here agree, disagree, appear, disappear, approve, disapprove. Next one, miss, wrongly, miss wrongly, calculate, miscalculate, hear, mishear, understand, misunderstand, understanding, misunderstanding. And the last prefix of the word of mind mapping is that inter, between intercity, internet, international. So these are the case study of mind map of prefix. We studied with meaning, changes, on, ir, ill, in, am, are, dis, miss, inter. So these types of the ideas we automatically get with the help of mind mapping. Next one is that emotions. According to the word emotions, look at the pictures, happy emotions and sad emotions. Happy emotions such as fulfill, content, glad, optimistic, please. And sad means down, mood off, mood on, blue, mopey, grieved, dispraise. Then scared emotions and excited emotions. According to the scared emotions, tense, nervous, anxious, frightened, terrified. And excited, energetic, ecstatic, aroused, bouncy. And angry emotions such as irritated, resentful, miff, upset and mad. Thank you.